Hello, hello, hello. I have a program here running saying roll the Commodore, roll the Commodore, roll the Commodore. That's all dandy. But once again, kind of like in the old days when it's, oh, you have to declare your variables, I'm going to put a line in here. And it's not a bad thing to do this. I'll put in line 3. I'm going to type in print, quote. Now I'm in quote mode, and I'm going to do the clear home key, which should put up a little heart thing. And another quote. Why is this a good thing to do at the beginning of programs? Because it clears the screen. And if you watch, see I've got all this crap on the screen. It's not just going to start running. It's going to clear the screen and then go and do its thing. If you want things to look a certain way, then you have to tell the computer, yo, I want things a certain way. And so that is how we do it. I'm going to switch this to white and do that list again because I think it shows up better. So this is just a quick program. It says 3, print, quote, and then it is the shifted clear home, quote. Done. That means you run the program, the screen clears. This light pesters me some. That might be better. And then it does the poke, 53280, comma 0. That does the border. And poke, 53281, 0. That does the background. And then we have 10, print, quote. And then we have the symbol for cyan, which is control 4. And then we have world of Commodore with a space, and a quote, and a semicolon, and a colon, go to 10. And see, if here's like if we were to change this, say I said for what example, go to 3, then that would change things completely. It would flash at the top of the screen. I don't know if you can see that. I think you can see that. It would flash, and it looks funny because it's clearing the screen and printing it, and clearing the screen and printing it, and clear the screen and printed it. Looks almost like, oh, something's wrong here. So you got to watch your go-tos. And really, we don't need to poke it over and over and over and over and over. So watch your go-tos and enjoy experimenting programming. You can do things with your name, your dog's name, your cat's name, all kinds of things. Programming is fun. Just remember, you got to break things down into one simple instruction. Anyway, that's enough for now. Have a lovely, lovely day. We'll see you again back here in the TV room. David Bradley, signing off.